All right. Good day, everyone. Again, I am Marcus S. Kibalyo from BSED Mag 3A. So today we're going to explore the concepts of my geometric model, which is Marcos spiderweb. So this is the group table that we have constructed in the first video in our lesson. So today we will use the proper subgroup to obtain the right and the left coset of the proper subgroup, which the G sub 2 to G sub 18. So without further ado, let's uh, explore the left and the right coset of G sub 2, which the element of G sub 2 is R, M, and 1. So this is the left coset of our uh, G sub 2, which is we can obtain the result of left coset by operating first the other element in our set, which are M, A, R, C, O, S, Q, T, 1, 2, 8. Here, we will not going to use M because when we map M, it is also equal to M. And by that, uh, we will not find or we will not obtain the results of coset. So here, we just need to use some of the elements in our set to obtain the other cosets or specifically the left coset of our subgroup. And as what you can notice here, after we operate the elements to our subgroup, to the element of our subgroup, some of the result is the same to the other element obtained. So here, uh, here we have the results from operating A to G sub 2, R to G sub 2, C to G sub 2, O to G sub 2, S to G sub 2, Q, Q to G sub 2, and T to G sub 2, and 1 is to G sub 2. So again, we will just operate the other element to our subgroup, the element of our subgroup, which is M and 1. So after we operate each of them, we'll have this result. So that is the procedure of finding the left coset. So in finding the right coset, so we have here, first we will use the element of G sub 2 and we will operate it to the other element, like the alternate version of the left coset. So here, our left here is the other element of our set, which defines the left coset. And for the right coset, here, the other element in our set is in the right. So that is the difference between the left coset and the right coset. So as what you can see here, the obtained result is not equal to the left coset and right coset because the set of the element A8 is not equal to A and 2, and R and 7 is not equal to R and 3, and and it is also the same for the case of C and 6 and C and 4. It's not equal. So all the outputs from the left coset and the right coset are not equal. So meaning to say, our subgroup is not a normal subgroup. So So since this is not a normal subgroup, the order of the factor group does not exist because, again, it is not a normal subgroup. So in identifying the index, we have here, as what you can see, we have 8 coset on the right part, which is index is defined the number of coset in the right coset, which are the set of A and 2, the set of R and 3, the set of C and 4, the set of O and 5, the set of S and 6, the set of Q and 7, the set of 7 and 8, and lastly, the set containing the element of 1 and M. So when you count the number of right coset, it is equal to 8. So that's why we have 8 coset in the right part. So in determining the order of the element in G sub 2, since G sub 2 has two elements which are M and 1, when we operate M to itself, we can obtain the identity which is also equal to itself, which is M. And when we operate 1 to itself, we can arrive in the result of the identity element, which is M. So meaning to say, the number or the order of the element for M is 2. And the order of the element of 1, the number of operating the element or the variable to itself is the order of the element. And 1, if we operate 1 to 1, it is equal to M. So there is two element that in that operation. So 1 has 2 order of element. So that's how we find or explore the left coset and the right coset of our subgroup, which is G sub 2. And it is also the same for finding the left coset and right coset of the other example. So here we have G sub 3, which have a two elements, which are M and 5. So this is for the left coset of our G sub 3, and this is for the right coset of our G sub 3. And as what you can see here, it is not also equal to the left coset and to the right coset, which is as what you can see here by having a counterexample, the set containing the element of A and 4 is not equal to the set containing the element of A and 6. So therefore, this subgroup is not a normal subgroup. And since it is not a normal subgroup, therefore, order of the factor group does not also exist. So for our index, here we have 8 cosets on the right coset, which are the set containing the A and 6, R and 7, C and 8, and the set for O and 1, the set of S and 2, the set containing the element of Q and 3, the set containing P and 4, and lastly, the set containing the element of 5 and M. So the order of the element for M is 2 and 5 is equal to 2. So for G sub 4, it's like what we have done in the previous example for subgroup G sub 2, G sub 3. So what you can see here is not also equal. So therefore, it is not a normal subgroup. Since it is not a normal subgroup, again, therefore, we can conclude that the order of the factor group does not exist. So for our index, we have here 8 cosets on the right cosets, which the results of after we explore or after we find the right coset. So for order of the element, M is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 2. And for the other example here, for G sub 5, it is not also a normal subgroup. And for G sub 6, it is normal subgroup because as what you can see here, the left and the right coset is equal. So therefore, it is a normal subgroup. And since it is a normal subgroup, the order of the factor group exists, which is the group containing 16 elements is divided to the number of the cardinality of our subgroup, which is 2, and 16 divides 2 is equal to 8. So our index here, we have 8 cosets, and this is our the 8 cosets in the right coset. So the order of the element for M is 2 again, and O is equal to 2 again. For G sub 7, this is our left coset and right coset. It is not a normal subgroup. So therefore, the factor group, order of the factor group does not exist. And again, we have 8 cosets in the right coset, and the order of element for M is 2, and 2 is equal to 2. So for our subgroup containing 2 elements, G sub 8, let's see if it is a normal subgroup. It is not also a normal subgroup because left coset is not equal to the right coset, and order of the subgroup does not also exist. And we have index here with which equal to the 8 coset on the right coset, and the order of the element for M is 2, and 6 is also equal to 2. And for G sub 9, the left coset and the right coset is not equal, so therefore it is not a normal subgroup. So since our subgroup is not a normal subgroup, we don't have the order of the factor group. For our index, we have 8 cosets. And for the order of element, M is equal to 2 and 4 is equal to 2. And for our last subgroup containing 2 elements or the order of 2, let's see if this normal subgroup. So as what you can see here, left coset is not equal to the right coset. So it is not a normal subgroup. And since it is not a normal subgroup, we can conclude that the order of the factor group does not exist. And for our index, we have 8 coset in the right coset. And the order of element for M is equal to 2 and 8 is equal to 2.